So this is a review, and it's also to answer a question I get asked. I bought this drill. It's a premium drill brush, which I use on carpets mainly, or fabric. But I get the constant question I get that comes through from Amazon is, can you use it on leather seats? Now they do, the people that make these, they do a range of I think they do about 5, and the colours determine how soft the bristles are. And it does say, and the question that I get asked is quite a lot, or can I answer the question, is can you use this on leather seats? Now personally, although it is quite soft, and it does say when you buy one, and it gives you sort of like a chart of what you can and can't use it on, it does state that you can use it on leather. But I just feel that the bristles are probably a little bit too hard to do on that, and also with it being on a drill, you know, it's turning quite quick depending on what speed setting you got it on. I've actually got a much softer hand brush that I use on leather seats, which I've not been able to get a drill attachment, brush attachment with the bristles that are as soft as my hand brush that I use on leather seats. So I just think they're just a little bit too hard, you know. I mean, they are soft, but I don't think they're soft enough to go on leather. It's just my personal opinion, you know. So I wouldn't, this is a 5-inch one, by the way, I wouldn't use it on leather seats personally. I mean, I use this mainly for car mats, specific like these fabric seats. I wouldn't have no issues using them on these seats. It's only certain fabrics that I use it on seats, also carpet, but not all carpets in vehicles. But yeah, I definitely wouldn't use it on leather. I'd say I think the bristles are just too hard for that, I think, because obviously, you know, what you don't want to do is scuff the leather if you're using it, you know, especially on a drill. It's one thing you don't want to do. But for all the other purposes of using it on certain fabric seats to agitate the cleaner, or floor mats, or certain carpets in cars, it works absolutely fine for that. That's my main purpose of using it. As you can see, the bristles are now pointing in a slightly different direction because of the rotation of the drill. But yeah, but other than that, yeah, this was off Amazon. I think it was £10.99. Had it for about 6 months. It's absolutely brilliant. It really does help to agitate the cleaner, and then sort of leave the cleaner for a few minutes depending on temperatures. It definitely does aid the cleaning of trying to get muck out of vehicles if you're a car valeter, or maybe you want to, I don't know, if the questions that are coming through that maybe people are asking, you know, sort of leather upholstery at home, you know, like a leather sofa or something. But yeah, I don't know, I personally wouldn't. I think you'd probably be better off going for a much softer sort of hand brush, you know, where you can do it bit by bit. So I don't know if anyone else has used one of these for leather on cars, or maybe at home. Perhaps if you have, perhaps leave a comment, let others know. I don't know, yeah, but me, I wouldn't. It's just a little bit too hard for my liking. I hope this has helped in some way. Please give the video a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Leave a comment, share your thoughts, maybe consider subscribing to the channel. It will help a great deal. Thank you very much. Have a great day.